it's time to form your team. There are 3 elements of an effective stakeholder team. First, identify at least one champion. Since you're here, chances are you are already a safety champion. The champion leads the development of the local road safety plan. Next, convene your working group and look to those closest to you. This may include people within your agency, but outside your office, such as public health, maintenance, and law enforcement. And it can also include planning organizations and elected officials. Think about those in your community who share a common goal in getting people home safely. And it's okay to start small. It can be just a few of you in the local coffee shop. The most important thing is to get started. After you form your team, it's time to develop a mission, vision, and goals. There's a tutorial on this page to help you. Be sure to download the Local Road Safety Plan template as well, so you can work along with the tutorial. The template includes examples to help you get started. Enjoy working with your stakeholders.